Good morning, students. Welcome in the class of English. In the previous video, I have explained you lesson number 18, Birds in the Garden. In that, I told you that how Anshuman's parents were trying to make him a good person. We understand that how much they loved and how they tried to take him to the good habits. So here we are going to start our new poem today. Only One Mother. And here name of poet is also given, George Cooper. What is the name of poet? George Cooper. Let's have a small introduction about him. He is an American poet. He was born on 4th May 1840 and he died on 1927. So here in this poem, he has given many examples to tell that how mother is very important and how she cannot explain with the words. Only few words are not sufficient to explain her love. So let us recite the poem first. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over. So here in this all these stanzas, he has given different examples to tell that how mother is different, how mother's love is more important, and how much she loved us. So in the first stanza, what example he has used? Stars, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Means there will be many stars in the sky. Hundreds of shells on the shore together. On the seashore you will find so many shells. But still, mother is only one. No one is like her. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. Hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. There are hundreds of birds, means many birds, not only 100, many birds that are singing. Many lambs you will see in the sunny weather. But no one is like mother. No one's love is like mother. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Hundreds of bees and the purple clover. Dewdrops means early in the morning you will see that when it is a winter season you will find some small drops of waters are gathering on the plants, right? So that is called dewdrops. These dewdrops are there to greet the dawn. Dawn means early morning. Okay, dawn means early morning. So many dewdrops are there to greeting the dawn. So many bees are there in the purple clover. Bees means honeybees here. Purple clover. Now here clover means it's a type of plant. Okay, clover is a type of plant. Hundreds of butterfly on the lawn. So many butterflies will be there on the lawn. But only one mother the wide world over. Only one mother the wide world over. That means there are many things of same kind. But no one is like mother. You will find, you travel all world over. You go all the cities, all the countries, wherever you go, you will not find a single person who is like your mother, who will love you like your mother. Mother is very important. Mother's love is very necessary for us. How she is loving us. No one can love like her. I hope now you will also love your mother, give her respect. You'll say sorry when you're making any mistake. You'll say thank you whenever she's doing something to you. She's cooking food for you. She's treating you with a good way. She is making different kinds of food for you. When you're falling sick, yes, she takes care of you, and she tells you the moral stories which she loves you, and many more things which cannot even explain the few words. These words are very less to explain her love. So I hope you understand this poem. You will treat your mother very nicely now. You will listen her all the things. You will obey her. Now let us see the rhyming words in the poem. Okay. So see here. Sky by. Rhyming words are sky by. Okay. These are there. Then next, what are the rhyming words here? See. Veda, mother. Okay. Veda, mother. Then dawn and lawn. Dawn and lawn. And lastly, clover and over. So these are 4 pairs of rhyming words in this poem. I hope you like this poem. If you like the video, please click on like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.